Christoph Chu from the Christoph Chu Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Beverly Hills on a gorgeous, sunny Southern California day after 5 days of straight rain here in Los Angeles. But take a look at the gorgeous ocean views from this incredible property in Hermosa Beach we've just listed, an Art Deco treasure, but yet you have an incredible ocean view.